Welcome you all for this video. In this video, we are going to learn the topic degrees of comparison. Okay, we all know we have 8 parts of speech in our language. 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. There we studied adjective. What is adjective? So adjective qualifies noun. It describes the subject or noun or pronoun. It gives the extended meaning of noun, the subject or pronoun. Okay, see one example. Taj Mahal is very beautiful monument. Taj Mahal is a noun. So how the monument is very beautiful. The word beautiful describes the noun Taj Mahal. Subject Taj Mahal. So that is adjective. Beautiful is an adjective because it describes the noun or subject or the pronoun. Okay, whatever it is, Taj Mahal. So it is adjective. So beautiful is an adjective. Okay, because it is describing noun, Taj Mahal. Okay, so adjective means describing noun. Okay, we are going to see degrees of comparison. So degrees, okay, degrees mean we have 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Degrees of comparison means comparing, or comparison means we are going to compare one or more things. Okay, so here we have 3 degrees, 3 types of degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. See, positive is used to describe an adjective. Comparative means is used to compare 2 things of the same class. For example, 2 boys. We are comparing 2 boys in the same class. Okay, see the example for positive degree. It is used to describe adjectives. It's a simple statement. So Raju is a brilliant boy in the class. It's a common statement. Okay, general statement. So Raju is a brilliant boy in the class. Next one, comparative means we are comparing 2 things or 2 persons of same class. Okay, see here, Raju is more brilliant than Rahim. Raju and Rahim are studying in the same class. We are comparing those students. So Raju is more brilliant than Rahim. Okay, so see the sentence structure: more brilliant. The brilliant adjective is used the same. Okay, in our positive or comparative or superlative, we are using the same adjective. Okay, before and after we are adding some words. That's the difference between positive, comparative, and superlative. See the comparative statement: Raju is more brilliant than Rahim. We are comparing 2 person or 2 things. Then we have to use the word than. Okay, so before adjective we are using more. Okay, so Raju is more brilliant than Rahim. For comparative degree, we have to use more and then adjective and then than. That is the structure for comparative degree. We are comparing 2 things or 2 persons. Next, see the third degree, superlative degree. Is used to compare all the things. Okay, not only 2, more than 2. More than 2 persons or more than 2 things of the same class. Then it comes under superlative degree. See the statement: Raju is the most brilliant boy in the class. So overall, okay, the class, Raju is the most brilliant boy. So brilliant adjective is used as it is. Okay, there is no change at all. Raju is the most. For superlative degree, we have to use most. Before the adjective, we have to use the word most. So before the word most, we have to use article. Okay, the article should be used. Okay, that is the rule. So we have to use the, after that most, and then we have to use adjective. That is the structure for superlative degree. So positive, we have to use the adjective as it is. For comparative, we have to add more and then adjective and then than. For superlative, the, most, and then adjective. That is the structure for 3 degrees. Next. We are going to learn 5 rules. Okay, 5 rules when changing from one degree into another degree. Okay, we have 5 rules to be followed. Okay, then we can easily change from one degree to another degree. Particularly, we are concentrating on change. we are going to learn the 5 rules. Okay, particularly we are going to change the adjective. Okay, see the first rule. The first rule is one syllabic word. If the adjective has one syllable, then we have to use ER for comparative, EST for superlative. We have to add. Okay, this is applicable only for one syllabic word. Take the adjective tall. Okay, just pronounce the word tall. Only once we are pronouncing like tall. That's all. Even though it has 4 letters, only one time we are pronouncing the word tall. So it is known as one syllabic word. So for that one syllabic word, we have to change into comparative means we have to add ER. After tall, add ER, taller. So this is to be used in comparative degree. For tallest, okay, for superlative, we have to add EST. Okay, we have to add as a suffix, we have to add with adjective tall. So tallest. This should be used for superlative degree. So from this, we understand that for one syllabic word, we have to add ER for comparative and EST for superlative degree. This is the first rule. Second rule, for more than one syllabic words. Okay, for one syllabic word we learned. For more than one syllabic word means how we have to change. We have to add more. The word more should be added, okay, before adjective. And for superlative, we have to use most. The word most. So for more than two or more than two syllabic words, we have to use more for comparative and most for superlative. See the adjective intelligent. Okay, just pronounce the word intelligent. Intelligent. Okay, like that we are pronouncing, right? Intelligent. Okay, so intelligent. So 4 times we are giving stress. Okay, so it is known as 4 syllabic word. So it is now more than 2 syllables, right? So it's a 4 syllabic word. So what we have to do, we have to change for comparative degree means use most, more intelligent. For superlative, most intelligent. So same adjective, but we have to check whether how many syllables are there in the adjective. If it is 1, we just simply add ER for comparative, EST for superlative. If more than one syllable, then we have to what we have to do? We have to use more for comparative, most for superlative. That is the second rule. See the example. Ravi is an intelligent boy. Okay, Ravi is an intelligent boy. Second one, Tom is more intelligent than Tim. We are comparing 2 boys, Tom and Tim. So intelligent, 4 syllabic word. So we are using more intelligent than. See the next one for superlative. Okay, Teju is the most intelligent boy in the class. So for superlative, the most intelligent. Okay, that is the rule 2. Third rule, we have to double the last word. That also it is a consonant. Okay, we all know we have one alphabet contains 26 letters, right? On that 5 words, 5 letters A, E, I, O, U called as vowels. The remaining are called as consonant. Okay, so remaining are called consonant. Okay, see the example thin. The last letter is N, Thin, thin. Okay, the N is a consonant. So the third rule is we have to double the last letter. Even if it is a consonant, yes, N is a consonant. It's not a E, I, O, U, right? It's a consonant. So we are doubling the last letter, thin, thinner. Again, we have to add ER. It's a one syllabic word, right? Thin. One syllabic word, thin, thinner, thinnest. Hot. One syllabic word, hotter, hottest. Okay, big. One syllabic word. Only once we are pronouncing the word big. Big, bigger. Again, BIGGER. Doubling the last consonant. Okay, bigger, biggest. Okay, so rule third is we have to double the last letter. Okay, if it is a consonant, is obviously it will be a consonant only. The thing is we have to double the last letter. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. That's a rule 3. Next one, rule 4. Y, the last letter Y is changed into I. See the word happy. Okay, happy. See here, happy, happier, happiest. Okay, see the last letter Y. Happy. The Y is changed into I. Okay, and then we are adding ER for comparative, EST for superlative. Okay, Y is changed into I. That is rule 4. Okay, see the example. She is very happy. Yes. Okay, she is happier than her mother. Okay, happy. It's a one syllabic word. So we are adding ER. And that also, see the last letter Y. The Y is changed into I. Okay, happier for comparative, happiest for superlative. Happiest is a superlative degree. So keep that in mind. Whenever we get superlative degree, before that we have to add definite article, the. Okay, we have to use the. Okay, so here, see the last one. She is the happiest girl in the world. Happiest superlative. So before that we are adding the. Okay, so the rule 4 is Y is changed into I. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, so all the Y words, last letter Y should be changed into I. And then add ER for comparative, EST for superlative. Happier, heavier, okay, heaviest. Okay, that is rule 4. Last rule is irregular forms. Okay, irregular. Okay, there is no comparison. Okay, see the word, I see the example is good. Okay, there is no coordination. There is no relationship between positive, comparative, and superlative. Everything is different, totally different. See the words good. Good is used in positive, better. Good, better, best. Okay, bad, worse, worst. Old. Okay, old can be used in two ways. Older, elder. Oldest, eldest. Far, farther, further. Farthest, furthest. Little, less, least. Okay, these are irregular forms. We have to learn this. Okay, so good change can be changed into better for comparative, best for superlative. Bad, worse for comparative, worst for superlative. Old, like that. Okay, see the example. Older. Okay, it's a slight difference between the usage of older and elder. So where we have to use elder. Okay, elder is used when we talk about people in our family. Okay, he is my elder brother. Okay, he is my elder sister. My elder sister is a teacher. My elder sister is a doctor. My elder brother is an engineer. So when you are talking about our family members, we can use the word elder. Okay, where we can use older. Okay, when you are comparing with someone, something else. Okay, on that case, we are using older. Okay, this thing is older, okay, than the before one, like that. Okay, see the example. John looks older than his brother. Okay, when you are comparing anything or person, we have to use the word older. Okay, when we are talking about family members, but not comparison, just giving some information means we have to use the word elder. Okay, so elder sister is a doctor, but he looks older than his brother. Okay, that's the difference between the usage of elder and older. Okay, see some exceptions for this usages. Okay, see here some examples I have given here. Clever, okay, can be used in both the forms, cleverer or more clever. Okay, clever, see, just pronounce the word clever. Okay, so these are some exception cases. Narrow, narrower, more narrow. Quiet, quieter, more quiet. Shallow, shallower, more shallow. So it can be used in both the ways, both the forms. So nothing is wrong. Simple, simpler, more simple. This is also there in our language and also in degrees of comparison. We have to learn that. Okay. So for this, we learned 5 rules. Okay. We'll just sum up the 5 rules. First rule is we have to add ER for comparative, EST for superlative. Second rule is more. Okay, more than 2 syllable words, we have to use more for comparative, most for superlative. And the third one is double the consonant. Okay, last consonant, the last letter should be double, thin, thinner. Okay, fourth rule is adding I. Y is changed into I. Pretty, prettier. Okay, last rule is irregular forms, totally different. Good, better, best. And also we learn some exceptions. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.